Max Verstappen is known for one thing on track: winning. 62 plus victories, the youngest race winner in Formula One history, and record-breaking dominance. But off the track, he's built a seriously impressive collection, from Aston Martin to Audi, Porsche, and Ferrari. His collection includes brands that are direct rivals on the F1 grid. He even owns a tiny car that literally has no doors, so stay till the end, as you don't want to miss this. 2014 Renault RS01. The Renault Clio RS 200 was the first car Verstappen bought, right after obtaining his driving license. In fact, he received his FIA super license before his basic driving license. Max got this car during Red Bull's Renault partnership days. He enjoyed one of his first racing cars so much that he purchased one, stating that it felt very similar to his F1 car. It was clearly love at first sight. This car costs around $400,000 and runs on a Nissan VR 3.8 DETT engine in a race-focused chassis. He even used his Renault to scare his dad around Spa-Francorchamps. It was a great start to building his collection. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Verstappen asked his dad for permission to buy this car. That is exactly what he did after his first ever F1 win at the 2016 Spanish Grand Prix. At just 18, he became the youngest winner ever and the first Dutch driver to win. And what better way to celebrate it than by buying a Porsche 911 GT3 RS? Despite this win, he actually asked his dad, Jos Verstappen, for permission first. Jos even said, "If Max wants to buy something costly, he must get permission from us first." Of course, he, being a former F1 driver, knows what cars are best for him. This car was the first model to feature the giant wing and also marked the debut of this feature, Aston Martin DB11. Back in 2019, Aston Martin was the title sponsor of Red Bull's Formula One team, and that is when Max Verstappen got his hands on the Aston Martin DB11. This car was the real-life version of James Bond's DB10 from Spectre. People were already obsessed, but seeing Verstappen behind the wheel pushed its appeal even higher. He also featured in multiple promotional videos for Aston Martin during this partnership. The DB11 is a muscular, rear-wheel drive Grand Tourer. It came with two engine options. One was the powerful 621 brake horsepower, 5.2-liter V12 twin-turbo. The other was a lighter 496 brake horsepower, 4.0-liter FA, 8 twin-turbo. It is easy to guess which one would suit a Formula One driver. Jeremy Clarkson said it is a beautiful car that suffers from a woefully bad interior. Aston Martin Vantage, whether it be Max Verstappen, Charles Leclerc, or Lewis Hamilton, they all can't get past this Aston Martin Vantage F1 edition. Right after being seen in the DB11, Verstappen switched to the freshly relaunched Vantage, clearly not caring about extra seats. In fact, he actually helped build it. In an early prototype, he threw around the tail-happy coupe and said, "It looks very aggressive. I think it's very racy." He even worked with engineers, testing multiple prototypes and giving real feedback. It packs over 500 horsepower from a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds and a top speed above 190 miles per hour. It is heavier at 3,373 pounds, but the shorter wheelbase makes handling sharp, due to which, at the Nürburgring qualifiers, a Vantage GT3 Evo crashed hard into the barriers, causing a 30-minute red flag. 2017 Mercedes-Benz C63 S AMG. The cheapest car on this list is also one he got rid of the fastest. The 2017 Mercedes-Benz C63 S AMG did not stay with Max Verstappen for long. This car looks classy, but it is seriously fast. It goes from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, even though it weighs more than 4,000 pounds. It comes with a twin-turbo V8 engine pushing out 469 horsepower, and it can hit 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Verstappen did not keep it even for a full year. Top Gear Netherlands reported that a well-known F1 driver put this exact car up for auction, and it clearly pointed to him. This also shows how hard it is to track his car collection. cars come and go quickly in his garage. 2019 Ferrari Monza SP2. Max Verstappen owning a Ferrari might sound shocking, right? Considering the Red Bull versus Ferrari rivalry, it is wild to know he has one of Ferrari's rarest toys sitting in his garage. It is the 2019 Ferrari Monza SP2, a car that looks more like a piece of art than a normal ride. Only 499 of these exist in the whole world, and Max got his hands on one by dropping nearly $2 million. The Monza SP2 has no roof and no windscreen. It is inspired by Ferrari's famous racing Barchettas of the 1950s, cars that gentleman drivers and pros once raced. It carries a massive 6.5-liter V12 that makes 809 horsepower. Max is often seen cruising it around Monte Carlo, and many say this is the closest thing to an F1 car that you can legally drive on the road. Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. A V12 that can wake the dead with its spine-tingling exhaust. That is how insane the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera really is. He literally traded his Aston Martin V8 Vantage for this beast, and who could blame him? It goes from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 211 miles per hour, which is crazy for a 4-seat Grand Tourer. Verstappen admitted it is definitely a more comfortable car to get around in than a 2-seat Valkyrie. But he barely drove it and sent it back after driving only 1,240 miles, not even 2,000 kilometers, before he sent it back. 2018 Ferrari 488 Pista. Not much is known about his exact car, or even whether he still owns it, but reports over the years clearly link him to this beast. The Dutch Champions Collection would feel incomplete without a Ferrari, even if he races against Scuderia Ferrari every weekend. The 488 Pista is built for speed and nothing else. It smashed the Fiorano test track in just 1 minute and 21.5 seconds, which is 3.4 seconds faster than the legendary Ferrari Enzo. It has a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing out 720 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds and can hit a top speed of 340 kilometers per hour. Only around 3,500 Pistas exist. Max was even spotted driving his fiery red Pista around Monaco with his girlfriend, Kelly Piquet. It is clearly a Monaco favorite, because even Charles Leclerc owns one. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. After talking about Valkyrie, Pista, and Superleggera, you expected more than a 2018 Honda Civic Type R, which is easily accessible for a guy like Max, didn't you? Well, it was a gift from Honda and is no longer part of his collection, so don't worry. During his 2021 World Championship season, he drove this Honda Civic Type R as his daily car in Holland and covered 58,000 kilometers. But then, he sold it in 2021 for $119,000 and donated the money to Wings for Life. The car even had his signature on the dashboard and boot lid. The second owner barely kept it, driving just 500 kilometers before selling it again. After this, Honda upgraded him to a Honda NSX Type S, one of only 350 made. At Motegi, after receiving it from Seiji Kuraishi and Koji Watanabe, Max said, "It's an amazing car, so very proud to receive it. Thank you very much." Aston Martin Valkyrie. This car is Max Verstappen basically bringing Formula One home. Built with Adrian Newey and Red Bull, this machine is as close as it gets to an F1 car on the road. Max helped develop it and even tested it at Silverstone with Alex Albon. And yes, he actually drives it around in public. He even got into trouble once, not for speeding, but for touching the touchscreen while driving. People lost their minds, but honestly, if he can handle an F1 car at insane speeds, this is nothing. Aside from Verstappen, Daniel Ricciardo also owns one, but that has not been confirmed, since no one ever saw him driving it. Fiat Topolino. Social media went crazy when clips dropped of him driving this strange little car. Verstappen and his girlfriend, Kelly Piquet, own a Fiat Topolino together. After the Canadian Grand Prix, Max took a break in Monaco, chilling on his yacht like you would expect. But the real surprise came after. He stepped off and drove away in this tiny blue Topolino. This car is built for tight Monaco streets. It is super compact and looks almost like a toy, with no door, just ropes on the sides. It is based on the Citroën Ami, which already looks unique, but this takes it to another level. ABT Audi RS6. Forget everything you expect from a family car, because Max Verstappen turned his into a monster. His ABT Audi RS6 Avant is the rare legacy edition, and only 200 exist in the world. A regular Audi RS6 already makes 591 horsepower. Max's version pushes close to 750 horsepower. And somehow, that still sounds reasonable, because ABT Sportsline can take it up to 1,000 horsepower. This car gets new turbos, a stronger intercooler, a loud stainless steel exhaust, and carbon fiber parts that pull in more air. Inside, it feels just as sharp, with an Alcantara steering wheel and sporty paddles. On his 27th birthday, Max was seen stepping out of this beast with his family at Casino Square. Another time, he pulled up at Hotel de Paris with Kelly Piquet and their daughter. Some drivers go for classics, like Jenson Button with cars like the Jaguar C-Type and Ferrari 275 GTS. But Verstappen is different. He goes for modern, high-performance, next-level machines. He even owns a $42 million Dassault Falcon 8X private jet, upgrading from his older Falcon 900EX. Let us know which F1 driver's collection you want to see next. And meanwhile, check out Lewis Hamilton's collection already up on our page.